says right here.
Hey, go north, kid. Go north.
Boo, are you here?
Y'all Gators did. Y'all beat Georgia at least, you know.
Go north. Look, that light didn't turn on
Yeah, it
earlier
just
when Angie
turned
walked in. That's just weird. I'm just saying.
Maybe it's motion or whatever.
It is, but it didn't turn on
Yeah, it
earlier.
never
She walked
turned
up here and put a marble on the grave.
Shut up,
See, look, it's right
Look,
there.
somebody left him a necklace too.
Boo, are you here?
What they looking at this? Yeah, look, this is like the little miniature thing that that's what his mom had.
Kinda, yeah, mine's
It's
bigger.
like a miniature one.
Just the last thing it said was uppercase no. Like all uppercase.
no?
Like no.
Oh shit.
Dukan, are you here?
Duncan, you
I'm
here?
guessing his nickname's Boo.
Hadouken. Hadouken. He cute. Cute little boy.
He was
He died in
17.
a car accident.
How you know?
That's what Bobby said.
Because he did the math, 1993 to 2009. 17. Either 16 or 17.
That was so weird how that leaf just fell out of that tree. Ain't that weird?